how to import Blender into Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Blender right here. And let's say, for example, that this is the object that we want to import into Roblox. So the next thing that we need to do right here is to go on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the file. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click export, which is right here. And then in this part, you will see a bunch of file type that you can choose from, but we're going to use wavefront, which is OBJ. So just click on that and then save your file right here on your desktop. And then you can name it whatever you want, but I will just leave it as it is. And then for the geometry, make sure that you also click the color. So if you've put a color right there, make sure you do that so that once you import it in Roblox Studio, there will be a color right there. So after that, I just click export wavefront OBJ. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to open our Roblox Studio right here and then just go into your game. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just add or import the file that we've just downloaded. Then what we're going to do here is to just click the import 3D, which is right there. So just click that and then just look for the file that we've just saved on our desktop. So this is it. So what we're going to do is to just double click on it. And then once you do that, you will now be able to add it. So just click the import button once again. And then as you can see, we've now actually imported the object right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to import Blender into Roblox.